Hello fam, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process which I took to flip $11 account to about $600 profit in just a single day. So you guys can actually see these are the running trade on VIX and 5 seconds index, and this is actually the profit running as well when I was actually recording this video. So, and this is the final stage, and everything is actually documented and explained in this particular video. Even the top processes of actually which I took in implementing this trade and this particular strategy. Everything is in the video. Just watch. Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I'm showing you this strategy, how I've been able to flip a $10 account, sorry, a $20 deposit here. I deposited the $20 today. So let me just show you guys the whole thing, and then I'm going to break down the trade for you guys to actually see and the reason why I actually entered this trade. So first and foremost, let's look at the market. Let's look at the history of this account. Okay, so let's look at the history. Okay, so right here we can see, let's go to custom. Today being the second of October. So on the history to 3rd of October. Okay, so that's today, 2nd to 2nd. So we have a $20 deposit here. Okay, we have a $20 deposit here. So I've been able to make a $61 profit. Okay, and I've been able to withdraw 70. Okay, I've been able to withdraw 70. And right here you can actually see on my MetaTrader 5 running profit 256 currently. So I'm looking at making up to $600 from this single trade. I'm looking at making up to $600. So right here you can see those entries. Those are actually sniper entries. Sniper entries. You can see them. We have a little bit of a range here, and finally the market just broke and is actually heading for our TP, guys. It's actually heading for our TP. So we're just going to hold till the market gets to a target. Okay, so you can see this is a live account. This is a live account. Okay, it's a live account, fam. So you see the deposit, the history. You see the deposit, you see the withdrawals. Okay, so now let's go to our web platform. Let me show you guys something, the reason why I actually took the trade. So first and foremost, I'm just going to go ahead and clear the whole thing up. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and clear the whole thing up. So you can see that currently on this market was actually buying. Okay, the market was actually buying for a while, and then from the look of things, this market is actually going all the way down. Okay, look of things, you can clearly see that the market is actually going all the way down, and then we just happen to come to at the corrective phase, and then we are pushing down to the downside. Okay, so you have already identified the trend, that the trend is actually pushing to the downside. So the strategy which I've actually been teaching you guys comes into play here. Okay, everything is on my YouTube channel. Okay, everything I've taught you guys is on my YouTube channel. You can use it to actually flip a $10 account like I did in this particular video, and I'm actually expecting to make up to a $600 from this particular trade. Right now I'm running at about a $250 plus. Okay, I've already withdrawn money. Okay, so you can actually do this. It's actually simple. Okay, here we have what a sweep of what liquidity sweep. Everything about the strategy is on my YouTube channel, guys. Is on my YouTube channel. So watch this video. We have a sweep of liquidity right there. So since we have a sweep of liquidity, we are looking for what a break of structure. So we have what a break of structure right here. So right here we have what a break of structure, and then here we have what a sweep of what liquidity. Since we have that, what are we looking for next? We are looking for a pullback. Okay, if we have the pullback, one of the conditions is it should be at least up to 50% of the Fibonacci retracement too. So this is more than actually 50%. You can see that provides what that retracement provides was structural liquidity that the market will come and sweep out later. So at that point, you can clearly see that becomes your structural liquidity. All right. So you mark it out, and then you wait for another break of structure. Okay, right here we have the second break of structure. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete my Fibonacci 2. So I'm going to mark my POI. My POI stands for my point of interest. So I marked my POI. The reason why I'm marking the whole of that area is because of this candle. Okay, this candle, this was the last bullish candle before that sweep. So that sweep provides what our structural, our protected high. Okay, and here provides what our structure and protected low. Okay, the protected high means that area is protected. Okay, the market is not actually going to sweep it out anytime soon. Okay, so right here where we had our entries from. Okay, right here where we have our entries from, the market tapped into our POI. Okay, gave us some confirmations. Remember, we use confirmations. Okay, so on the 30 minutes, you can see how the market is actually reacting to our level. Okay, so the market is actually reacting to what our level. So you go to the 15 minutes time frame and look for entries. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, what can we see? You see those candlesticks. Those candlesticks actually indicate what confirmations. Okay, those candlesticks indicate confirmations that you can actually enter. So at that point, I started putting my orders in. I started with a 0.3, 0.3, and then I added some more positions. But I'm looking to target here. I'm not looking to target this area because we still have a sweep here. We have a break of structure. We have a pullback. Okay, we have all of those things actually aligned. Okay, so the stop loss was just right there. Okay. So right now, see how we are running. Now let's go back to the MT5, guys, so that you see how I actually arrange the entries. Let's go back to the MT5. All right, so right here we're just going back to our MT5, so you can actually see how I arranged the entries. So you can see I added positions just like that. I did not put the positions all at once so that the account will be able to handle that. So you can see the $11 deposit running at $254 profit. So you see that there is no magic. Okay, it's just simple understanding of the market. Okay, so right now we are going to run a simple analysis on another pair. So we are just going to look at the VIX 100. Okay, I'm looking at that. I'm looking at shorting VIX 100. I might not actually trade today because I think this is actually gonna give me something that is gonna satisfy me. So sorry, I don't want to look at VIX 100. Sorry, I'm looking at VIX 150. 1 second. Yeah, that was what I meant. So let's go to VIX 150. 1 second. So on VIX 150. 1 second here, you can clearly see that this market has actually been pushing to the upside. Okay, so the market, since the market has actually been pushing to the upside, what do you want to do? You want to look for buys. Okay, you want to look for buy opportunities. So right here, this is the latest structure which we can see. So from the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that okay, the market is actually pushing to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so what are you going to do? You're going to look for a pullback. Okay, so right here you see that we have a sweep of liquidity. Okay, we have a sweep of liquidity here. All right, we have a break of structure. Okay, all right, and then we have a pullback which is obviously more than 50%. Okay, so this is more than 50%, and this pullback provides our structural liquidity. So you mark it out. This is our structural liquidity. So, and then we have our second break of structure, which is quite clear. This is that. So your strategy is actually set. And then here, the low before the break of structure becomes what? The low that caused the break of structure becomes the protected low. And then the high the market got to before pulling back becomes what? Your protected high. Okay, so you can see that this is just simple. Okay, even a child, a baby can actually do this. So I go back to the higher time frame, like 1 hour, to be able to mark my POI. Okay, so that I don't want to actually make mistakes. So I'm going to mark that candle. Okay, I'm just going to mark this candle here. All right, this candle, because that was the last bearish candle before the push to the upside and the sweep. Okay, so that's my POI. So I'm just waiting for the market to actually come to this area, then I actually take my buys from it. Okay, so that's just simple as it should be. So right now, let me go back to the MT5 and just show you guys something. This is too much, guys. You see $11, okay, $11 equity running $278. So that's something massive, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. So see you guys some other